All right, on the Flat Rate Master, let's talk about Matco's new anti-slip impact socket. Now, obviously, I don't have a part number on this one because the label got destroyed. They have them in 3/8 and 1/4 inch. Now, first thing I gotta say is these are not US made. These are made in Taiwan. I know the color on them is the same as the Matco USA sockets. They are not. They are made in Taiwan. Now what they are is they're a spline drive. I don't know how well that's going to pick up on camera. They're not a conventional socket design. They're designed, well, to grab pretty much anything like a mountain wrench set where there's splines. So it is a rather unusual hexagon shape, you know. They're a little different. Now I've been using the 3/8 set. I haven't used the 1/4 inch. And one of the things is Batco came out with a set of these several years ago, and a coworker bought them, and they did a lot of damage. If you were using them on good fasteners, they tore them up a little bit. These do not do that. I used them extensively doing a job, and fastener, you couldn't tell anything was done to it. They're designed to not only grab regular fasteners, but also worn and damaged fasteners as well. So, you know, I haven't had the opportunity to try them on damaged fasteners. Sorry, I haven't had the opportunity. You know, well, I mean, I haven't had damaged fasteners to mess with. So this might be good for something like somebody up in the Rust Belt. Now, as far as daily use impact sockets, I haven't had any trouble. Like I said, they haven't damaged any fasteners I've put them on, including one nut that I undid about 6 times. Or let me rephrase that, I undid and redid like 6 times because I kept putting the bracket on wrong. But anyway, they're, you know, they don't damage the fastener, and they're supposed to work on more damaged fasteners. I will report back after I've used them for a while, and I'll put links to the part numbers in a pinned comment just so you can check them out. But they're basically just a spline socket designed, well, for daily use and for damaged fasteners. I will report back once I've got these actually in use and had to, you know, see if they work on damaged fasteners. But overall, they work fine. I mean, I have no complaints on them other than, well, they're expensive for Taiwan sockets. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.